In this video, the Bitcoin price is currently breaking down and is playing out the worst case scenario which we mentioned yesterday. But guys, because of this, I am buying more Bitcoin as well as Ethereum. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kahapon, ang concern natin dito sa Bitcoin price if are we going to hold this support line na sinasabi natin kahapon. Kasi kagabi, ang minamonitor natin kahapon is nagpo-form tayo actually ng bullish divergence within the early time frame. And as you can see, bullish divergence is typically wherein the price is declining. Ito, the price is declining while the RSI is increasing. And those are usual signs of a bullish trend reversal signals. And at the same time, nakita din tayo kahapon ng falling wedge forming within the early time frame. And in that case, we were expecting a bullish reversal. However, as you can see, nagkaroon tayo ng massive sell volume dito upon the coming hours. So, as you can see, nagkaroon tayo mag-form ng more sell volumes in the coming hours. And pakita natin siya. Ayun, nagkaroon ng sell volume, nagkaroon palalo ng sell volume. In that case, that led to this bearish breakout. And then, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, if ma-break natin tong area na yan, yung support line na yan, if ma-break natin yan, then we are going to watch out for the worst case scenario, which is actually by diving into the 4-hour time frame or daily time frame. And then, ayan yung worst case scenario. And usually, this is a break to the downside if ma-break natin tong support. And then, ang magiging target sa atin yan is actually by getting the height of this triangle. And then, lagyan natin siya sa possible point of breakout that could actually give us a movement back to the previous low ni Bitcoin, which is roughly around the $33,000 or yeah, siguro $33,000 would be an ideal target nito. But yeah, let's try to monitor this in the coming days if we are going to go to that $33 area. But let's take things one step at a time. And as you can see, the Bitcoin price is right now declining, and if you're going to look at the RSI, there are still no signs of a bullish trend reversals in the 4-hour time frame because of that breakdown. So in this case, we are going to wait this one out. Hindi pa tayo mag-expect ng bullish reversal signals kasi look at that. Walang ganong sign ngayon sa RSI. And if you're going to look at further dito sa ating RSI, I think ang next na kailangan abangan dito sa 4-hour time frame is dapat mag-decline siya at the same time dapat mag-increase yung RSI. Kasi in that case, that would be the sign na matagal natin inaantay na magkaroon ng bullish reversal, which is sa ngayon wala pa. And right now, we are going to wait that one out to that to form. However, since we are now on a confirmed breakdown dito kay Bitcoin, you can actually short this. You can actually open a shorting position. All you have to do is just to wait for a bullish retracement. Dapat mag-catch up siya sa 20 MA. And then in that case, if mag-catch up siya dyan, then siguro dun pwede mag-open ng short position. And yeah, that is a good shorting position opportunity dito kay Bitcoin price if let's say mag-continue to the downside. Always remember to just set stop loss nga lang above this area. Set lang na stop loss just in case na biglang magkaroon siya ng bullish reversal. But yeah, right now that is what I'm monitoring for the Bitcoin price. But let's talk about the support levels dito. Kasi right now, despite the Bitcoin price declining, I am buying more Bitcoin and Ethereum. So take note guys, whenever the price is declining or it's dipping, that is a buying opportunity. Kasi take note, these levels are actually a good opportunity to re-enter the market. Kasi if let's say nagkaroon ng bounce dun sa mga specific areas na yan, then at least ma-maximize natin yung mga pwede makuha nating profits from those bounces. And those bounces can actually give you a compounding profit. Kasi if you can see, if let's say nag-bounce at a specific area, kung yari, nakapag-buy ka within the 37K or 37.9K, dyan pa lang, kikita ka na around 3%. Tapos if let's say meron ka pang buy order around the 36K, you can actually see, nakikita ka na agad ng another 8%. So, as you can see, 8% plus 3%, meron ka ng roughly around, nakinita na siguro around 11% dito from this basic movement lang. So, as you can see, those movements are opportunities for you to re-enter the market despite of the price declining. So, in this case, you should be buying the dip kung ako tatanungin nyo. And ako, I will be buying more Bitcoin in this case. Pero ano ba yung mga buying orders ko dito sa Bitcoin price action? So with that being said, yung mga buy orders ko dito is actually by determining the Fibonacci retracement, which is yung ating previously na ginagamit. So let's open the Fibonacci retracement na ginamit natin last time. So as you can see, this is the current buy orders na aking sinet. And it's actually first things first, number one, They're 38.2k, 38,200 US dollars. Another is around 36,000 US dollars, which is roughly around that area. Pero siguro yung pinaka-exact na pwede mong gawin is around the 37,000 US dollars. And then meron din akong isa pang buy order around the 32,000 US dollars if let's say mag-drop lower dyan. And then yung pinakang worst case scenario dito is around the 28,000 US dollars. Doon medyo malaya na siya. And the basis of the 28,000 US dollars is actually because that was the previous low noong January. So let's try to look at that January movement. So ito, if we're going to look at the movement last January, doon tayo previously nagkaroon ng lowest low kay Bitcoin price, which is around 28,000 US dollars. O siguro 29,000 US dollars pala siya. So siguro i-adjust ko na lang yung buy order ko. But as you can see right now, yun yung aking magiging buy orders within those specific areas kasi these are buying opportunities. Remember, whenever the price is declining, those are times for you to re-enter the market. Always remember, bull market can make you money, but bear markets can make you rich. And as you can see, we now have a lot of opportunities dito. And di ba sinasabi ko sa inyo, huwag kayo bibili palagi all in one go. Always remember na hatiin nyo yung pera nyo and then set a different buy orders per level. Kasi in that case, if ever na bigla nagkaroon ng trend reversal, then at least nakabuy ka. Tapos if let's say bumagsak palalo or nagdip palalo, at least meron ka pang pera pambili ng dip if lalo pa siyang nagdecline lower. So yun yung tinatawag na DCA strategy or dollar cost average. So as much as possible, yun yung pinakang safe strategy when it comes to navigating a downtrend. And as you can see, I have my buy orders already dito kay Bybit. As you can see, meron akong Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. And then may na-execute na ako actually na order. As you can see sa aking mga past order, meron ako recently na-execute 38,200, which is yun nga, kaka-execute lang. So right now, yun yung aking orders dito kay Bitcoin price, especially if mag-decline pa siya lower. And now, let's talk about Ethereum as well as altcoins. So before talking about Ethereum, let's talk about the Bitcoin dominance. Kasi look at this. Diba, sa previous analysis natin kay Bitcoin dominance, meron tayong double top, which started playing out. In that case, we saw a very short-term altcoin season. And right now, as you can see, the Bitcoin dominance is right now forming. Let's try to plot the support line. I know may support line. And then you can see na meron din tayong resistance line. So right now, the Bitcoin dominance is forming an ascending channel na which you can actually monitor. Kasi in this case, you can actually notice na we have this opportunity kung saan tayo pwede mag-re-enter into altcoins. So right now, the dominance is increasing. So that is indicating na right now, it's not the best time to invest or trade with altcoins kasi typically, the best time to invest in altcoins is whenever the dominance is declining. Though pwede tayo makita ng some altcoins na mag-pump bigla-biglaan for the very short term, but yung mga ganong movements makikita na natin during those red candles, which is, ayun, yung mga red candles na yan. But generally, yung overall trend natin dito kay Bitcoin dominance is it is still increasing dito kay Bitcoin dominance. So right now, I think the overall trend pa din itong Bitcoin dominance is still increasing. So in this case, what we are going to do is we are going to focus more with the Bitcoin price action before entering into any altcoins. And remember, if magka-altcoins kayo, tingin muna kay Bitcoin. Pag okay si Bitcoin, tingin na sa Bitcoin dominance. If okay si Bitcoin dominance, then saka ka papasok kay altcoins. And as you can see right now, we have those opportunities na ating support and resistance levels. So those are the scenarios na which we can actually look at this with the Bitcoin dominance price action. So we can actually play within those areas. And siguro yung best case scenario dito, ano ba yung best case scenario dito sa ating Bitcoin dominance? So the best case scenario dito is if let's say na-break natin itong support, then we are going to see an altcoin season kasi typically whenever the dominance is declining, those are the time na magiging healthy altcoins. Pero if pataas yung dominance, then that would indicate na altcoins are going to bleed against Bitcoin. So typically, the Bitcoin dominance should decline in order for altcoins to remain healthy and it should not be increasing para maging healthy altcoins natin. But right now, dominance is increasing. So in this case, focus more with the Bitcoin price action. But despite of that being said, let's talk about Ethereum kasi meron din akong buy order kay Ethereum. So yung aking buy orders kay Ethereum ay actually specific within the following levels within this Fibonacci retracement. So, diba, similar with Bitcoin, ang ginamit ko dito is Fibonacci retracement. But ang aking exact buy order levels are the following. So, as you can see, the Fibonacci support of around the 2585. So, I have a buy order around the 2585 US dollars as well as the 2423 US dollars. So, dun ako actually ngayon nakaset dito kay Ethereum. And as you can see kay Ethereum, still no signs of a bullish trend reversal. Wala pa tayong nakikita ang bullish indicators dito. And diba sa video natin kapon, we are not expecting a bullish trend reversal kay Ethereum, more of a sideways action. Dito kasi wala tayong bullish indicators forming in the early time frame. Oh. So in the early time frame, walang bullish signs, hindi nag-increase yung RSI natin for the time being. Ito, despite of the price declining, ayan oh. the RSI was not increasing, so hindi tayo nag-expect ng bullish reversal kay Ethereum. And we were expecting more consolidation. But since nag-decline si Bitcoin, and then as well as the dominance just increased, then that indicated na magda-drop sa Ethereum. So right now, yun yung aking mga buy orders kay Ethereum, as well as yung mga indicators na nagsabi ngayon kung anong movement kay Ethereum. So far, I think ang pwede natin gawin ngayon dito is this could be a shorting opportunity. Wala pa tayong signs of a bullish indicators pa talaga. So as of now, this is a buy the dip opportunity with the Ethereum price action. And last but not the least, let's talk about SLP. Kasi diba sabi natin kamot kay SLP, you have to be patient lang with the SLP before entering into any trade. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, you have to wait out for this converging moving average. So delete muna natin itong mga drawings na dinaro natin kahapon. And as you can see, diba sabi natin kahapon, it's more likely na magiging tight to. In that case, if magkaroon ng breakout dito sa ating movement 10, then that would be our opportunity. If mag-break siya to the upside, long opportunity. If mag-break to the downside, then that is a shorting opportunity. Pero ang nangyari ngayon is, as you can see, SLP broke to the downside. In that case, that is a shorting opportunity right now with the SLP price action. So, I think ang pwede mo gawin dito is, you have to wait for this bullish retracement. Ang magandang gawin dito is, if magkaroon siya ng bullish retracement, dyan ka mag-enter ng short position, and then pag enter mo ng short position, saka ka mababa. So right now, yun yung aking thoughts with SLP price action. Then may mga iba magtatanong, is it a good buying opportunity? Looking at the SLP as RSI, hindi pa. As you can see, hindi pa tayo nagbe-below 30, so that is not a buying opportunity yet for SLP. So right now, hindi pa siya good buying opportunity kay SLP kasi typically, the best buying opportunity is whenever the RSI is below 30. Tingnan mo kay Ethereum, below 30 siya, so that is a good buying opportunity. Same goes with the Bitcoin price action na below 30 din sa RSI niya. So as you can see, kaya ako nag-buy with Ethereum as well as the Bitcoin price action kasi nag-below 30 tayo sa RSI, so those are good buying opportunities within those coins. In this case, kay SLP, di pa talaga siya good buying opportunity, but of course, if you're going to follow the early time frame, we are about to enter into a buying opportunity with SLP. And siguro if, let's say, ito siguro magkakaroon tayo ng somewhat of a good sense dito kay SLP. If let's say, ang nangyari kay SLP is nag-decline siya lower, tapos yung RSI niya is hindi nag-decline lower, umakit lang siya, then that could be a possible good sign na nga kay SLP if let's say, mag-start na siya magkaroon ng bullish reversals indicators. Pero right now, we are yet to see that. So as of the time being, what you have to follow talaga kay SLP is this declining price from this breakout dito sa ating moving averages. Pero guys, if you want to long or short SLP, one of the only place na you can actually do that is actually in Bybit. Kasi dito kay Bybit, you can actually long or short SLP. Kay Binance, di siya pwede eh. So, if you want to long or short SLP, dito kay Bybit kayo guys. Kasi dito, you can actually trade SLP with leverage. And if you want to claim bonus with Bybit, just use my sign-up link na you can find the description down below. So ayun muna natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. And I'll see you guys in the next video and bye-bye for now.